In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn job search effectively. Whether you're actively seeking new opportunities or just keeping an eye on the job market, LinkedIn is a powerful tool to assist in your job search. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of LinkedIn's job search feature in just 5 minutes. First off, let's head over to the LinkedIn website. Upon arriving, you have a couple of options for signing in. You can choose to sign in with your Google account, which is quite straightforward if you want to skip remembering another password. Alternatively, you can continue with your already existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to solve a CAPTCHA for added security measures. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you're not a robot, ensuring the safety and integrity of the platform. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the search bar, which you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. This is your gateway to thousands of opportunities waiting for you. Next, it's time to get specific about what you're looking for. In the search bar, type in the job position or any criteria related to the job you're aiming for. Are you looking for a role in software engineering or perhaps a marketing position? Or maybe you're interested in opportunities that specifically offer remote work. Whatever it is, type it in. LinkedIn's search engine is quite powerful and can filter through millions of job postings to find those that match your specified criteria. After you've entered your search terms, a list of jobs will appear, tailored to the criteria you've provided. Take your time to scroll through the options. When a particular listing catches your eye, click on it to get more details. This page will provide you with everything you need to know about the position, including the job description, required qualifications, and how to apply. It's crucial to read through the job details carefully to ensure it's a good fit for you before applying. Check who posted the job because sometimes you might have connections at the company who can refer you or offer valuable insight about the company culture. And there you have it. That's how simple and efficient it is to use LinkedIn's job search to find your next career opportunity. Remember, the more specific you are with your search criteria, the more tailored the job recommendations will be. Also, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated is crucial, as it serves as your digital resume for potential employers. We hope this guide helps you navigate LinkedIn's job search with ease and brings you one step closer to landing your dream job. Keep exploring and applying, and remember, perseverance is key in the job search process. Happy job hunting!